Bro. I'm not an imbecile.
Yeah, we gotta go get the actual
Alright. Yo. Don't do that. That's not very nice. Can't you just edit it all out?
Yeah, I can, but then I can't use any of the footage, idiot.
No. Oh my
It
god.
doesn't even matter though. It's not copyrighted.
Sure. Look at this random drink that he's drinking. Random. Hold on. So like you take a drill bit and then you step on it.
Step, drill bit.
Is that not what you do?
Ah, I don't have one of those.
What is it?
I know what it is.
Let me see.
I think I have one, but I don't know where it is.
Oh, that ain't right. Oh, dude, I saw one of those in here.
I know.
I was messing with
my
it.
dad has. Oh, there it is. Haha. Suck it.
Yay.
Yeah, 'cause
Magnet.
then you can see what size you're drilling it out to. Freaking absolute imbecile. Okay, so we need this. I'll put this. Put that down.
Who said put it down?
Okay, good job. For listening. Don't pick it up.
Looks like I'm a bad boy.
Like you can see what size.
Dude, you're breaking it.
There. Now I made it one size bigger.
Not
I don't
really.
know to what size I made it.
Put on cash money. Sight. Yo, that's dangerous.
That's a little dangerous now. Oh, there's where my chapstick went. Chapstick's on this.
Bro, it's probably frozen.
Chapstick freeze.
Yeah?
Sure.
CarMax does.
It's really cold.
Yo, my CarMax literally
Does
freezes in
chapstick
my room.
freeze?
According to Treat Beauty, if you find that your lip balm has become soft or melted, don't panic. Simply place it in the fridge or freezer with the cap facing up. This will allow it to solidify and return to its original form.
So, yes, it does.
It can freeze, but it has to be severely cold. How cold is your room? I like my room cold up there.
I have my room freezing cold.
Dude, if I could, I'd use an AC in the summer or in the winter, dude.
Bro, I know, dude.
But also
Dude, I know, dude. Dude, I know, dude. Dude, I know, dude. Dude, I know,
the
dude.
heat and AC, they forgot to route it to my room.
Oh, they did, dude.
So all the vents in my room, they just blow out air.
What? Okay.
Let me see the camera. Take the hat off.
No.
Okay. Dude, I need to get more.
Oh, no.
Wait, actually, we'll be
It
back.
has...
Golly, my helmet is so heavy. My helmet, not my helmet, my freaking hat. My hat is getting weighed down so much. Hopefully this doesn't fall off. I'm gonna get one of those POV shots. Have you seen those Insta 360 cameras? My brother has one. He made a video and posted it on YouTube. And he put it on his dog, and while his dog ran to get the ball, it looked pretty cool. Yo, they gave us so many zip ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 zip ties. Do I have to have that open? Because I'd like to put all this stuff in the back. I don't think I do, so watch out. Go on the other side and remove that piece of wood. That's the whole point, idiot. Golly, this kid. Ooh, that did not sound good.
Be careful, you could have hurt your fingers.
I'm gonna hurt you.
No, sorry. I got it.
It ain't that complicated, bro.
Yeah.
And remember, don't sit or stand on this, because it will break.
Sit and stand on it. Okay.
Are you stupid? Dude, that's the worst part about the Kawasaki Mule. This thing can only hold like 5 pounds. Well, not 5 pounds, but I think they said like 50 pounds. Like, just doing that is bending. Yow. Yabba dabba doo. Ooh, I'm excited for the horn, bro. Why are you in there? Get out of there.
I put my head up there.
Oh, this is not gonna be easy.
I wouldn't think so.
What is this? This is some
So like that's
Albert Einstein type stuff.
Yeah, you're not smart.
Oh, here's the horn. Hey,
I'm so excited.
I want the horn.
How are we gonna put it inside of the?
Oh boy.
Does it go inside of like the steering wheel?
No, I'll show you, bro. Just
Be patient.
be patient. Patient, bro.
I don't think those go together.
They do.
Oh.
Trust the process, bro.
Sorry.
Would you look at that? They went together.
So like it looks like you drew that big black box on something.
Yeah. Hold on. Before I freaking touch you, dude.
Okay. I agree.
Okay, bro.
I do consent.
We're gonna test the horn. Oh.
Do not test it.
I said we're going to test it.
We're not going to test it.
We're gonna have to test it on my 4-wheeler because I don't feel like taking this whole front end apart. Even though you don't even really have to. But of course, I don't have the key. You can say whatever you want to say now, because all this footage that is being filmed right now is gonna get cut.
Don't trust you.
No, I'm not gonna show where I put my keys to stuff, idiot. Go whoop. Perfect.
Smells like crap in here.
Smells like crack. Okay, we're back. On today's episode of Touching People in Walmart.
He brought me home and he brought me to this house and I don't know what to do no more.
Okay. Yabba dabba doo. Okay, so.
You would be the type of person to say yabba dabba doo and then say Scooby Doo, where are you?
Yabba dabba doo, Scooby Doo, where are you? I swear. Hello?
Did you need something?
No.
No.
There, I got a great idea, bro.
What?
You should come over.
Nope.
Who is it?
Spencer.
Spencer, please.
No.
Bro,
Why, bro?
we're putting a horn in the thing and then we're gonna put the
We're putting the turn signals and the windshield and all that on the side by side.
I'm busy
What are you doing?
watching a puppy. I'm gonna have
Okay,
to be
but-
busy all day.
Sure. I hung up on him. Busy all day, my rear end.
maybe Zeke can come over.
That little kid makes me so mad.
You see that little kitten makes you so
I
mad.
said that little kid.
Sound like you said kitten. That's joking.
Oh my gosh, that was loud. Oh my gosh, that thing is gonna make people move out the way. Oh my days, dude.
Bro, I about jumped out of my bare skin.
Okay. 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 That was loud. That actually scared me really bad. Okay, so it shows what side is the left and which side is the right.
Yeah, but we don't know our left and rights. He don't know his rights at all. Neither do I.
Well, this is right. This is left. It's not that complicated.
Look, left
Look,
and then right.
look.
I meant
Mortgage?
no, I said the wrong. Oh my god, I said the wrong thing.
That's not the right size.
I forget what it's called. I think it starts with an
M.
M. When you die, you give your belongings to people.
Yeah, a will?
It's not a will. Well, people call it a will. But
Yeah, it's because it's a will.
there's an actual name for it though.
Yeah, a will.
But it starts with an M.
No, will.
Oh, Will? Hey, I know Will. Hey, look at the numbers.
What is it, 6, 7, or 9,
No,
11?
9, 11.
Okay. Well, we can't put that in the video. I'm gonna put on latex gloves.
I think bro thinks latex gloves will stop him from getting electrocuted. They won't. Will you shut up?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna beat you silly with a freaking drumstick.
Ow, he's hurting me.
Freaking open these bad girls up. Where are you going?
I don't know. You're a freaking imbecile, okay? Yeah. How do you like being called an imbecile? Yeah.
Bro, what are you?
Freaking imbecile.
Back that I put my glove on backwards 3 times in a row.
Weak.
Gloves is so
So here's the instructions. Yo, why is my hand so shaky? It's always when I hold paper up like this. You'd be like shaky as crap. Like look at this. What?
Do me a favor. Shut up.
Oh. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
How do you?
Look at how shaky my hands are. It's always when I hold paper.
Okay. The paper's too heavy for you?
No. Oh my gosh. Bro. Press the plastic strip.
No, nobody cares about the plastic strip.
I'm reading the.
You're not going to DC.
No, sorry.
Oh.
No. Wait, you can't do it when I'm here.
Yes, what? Yes, I can.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm head of the committee.
What? Spencer is. Wait, no, he's leaving.
Spencer's a little short.
Bro, he's going to see this video and crash.
Spencer doesn't even want to.
What's Spencer's phone number? Bro, you're leaking it.
I don't even know. I was just gonna say a random phone number.
So
That's
his
my old neighbor's number. Everybody call 419-307-3312.
his phone number is 419-707.
No! Don't say my number. Bro, enough people know my number. That shit.
9788.
Bro, that's.
Yes, that's your number. 419-707-9788. Bro, you can just cut it out. Calm down.
Oh yeah, baby. She's live.
I swear, if that honks.
Oh shoot, that is. Okay.
Stop.
That's enough out of
It's
you.
loud.
Yo, who would have thought the horn was loud? Go get me a light. Actually, I don't want your work. You know what?
And that's why that ass belongs to me.
Bro!
Okay, I'm sorry. We can cut that out.
I don't want this hour-long video to be turned. Oh!
Flashbang.
Oh, dude, my eyes. I can't see.
That was level 1. Get ready, flashbang. Oh my. Bro, straight flashbang.
Dude, I can feel the heat. Like, as soon as you turn it on, you can feel the heat.
Oh yeah, you can. Really good.
Stop.
Hell no,
Dude, my eyes. Bro, it's like the sun.
No, that's what I said. Okay, that's level 1, dude.
It doesn't even look like it mattered. It literally doesn't even look like it's changing.
You can tell it's a little bit brighter, but nothing crazy. Also, the only thing that sucks about this light is it makes your batteries die super fast. Bro, why did they make this different sizes? What?
So different sizes could be used as different sizes.
Oh, shoot, Malachi. That's why you're a philosopher, you freaking imbecile.
I'm not a philosopher.
You're a philosopher?
I just said I'm not.
You just said you play back the footage. What, just like you didn't knock over that ladder?
Bro, I didn't knock over the...
Bro, all the 66 people that seen that video know that you did.
I didn't. Put in the comments if I knocked it over. I swear it was black magic, because his family does voodoo.
Bro, my family doesn't do voodoo.
But you guys are Mexicans.
Okay.
So we're going to have to cut that out.
Nope, we're leaving that in.
No.
Yep. You freaking racist.
Bro, you said you were a certified racist at lunch.
Yes, I am. Welcome to your certified racist.
Bro, it's still playing the same music.
I know, so it plays it on an hour-long loop.
Bro.
I feel like most people could very easily do this. So, probably this is gonna get cut from the video.
What'd you say?
Ah!
And that's not getting cut. That's staying.
That is for sure getting cut.
Why don't you just use this small, tiny light?
Not getting cut.
That's not getting cut.
100,000,000% getting cut.
Why don't you just use this small light? This works.
Hey!
How about that? Yeah.
I don't remember that.
Okay, I'm sorry. No, don't remember that. I said I'm sorry.
Doesn't matter. Too late now, sorry. Should have called about it.
I'll just keep leaking your phone number.
I'm in my house. Ain't you disrespect.
My daughter.
Just that dumb. Or is lefty loosey, righty tighty?
Yeah, you're pretty dumb. It's righty, loosey, lefty, tighty.
Yo, I never thought this could be this hard. Awesome. I'm gonna cut this thing off. Yeah, I'm cutting that off. You don't need it. Probably gonna void my warranty, but.
Bro, I have your... Bro had no clue.
I mean, you don't really need a battery, do you?
You literally do.
Oh my gosh, I just broke it. Ah, shucks.
We should go show the farmer some love.
No.
Show him what's up.
We should make an apology video.
Yeah.
Never your gaze though.
No, then he's gonna see it. Daisy just brought through my...
Go over there and get glasses. And see where it says safety glasses.
This one?
The one that says safety glasses.
On
No,
this.
to the right. To the right.
This one?
To the right.
This one?
It's not that complicated.
This one?
Blow it.
This one?
Yes.
Right here? Okay, okay, I'm grabbing him, I'm grabbing him, I'm grabbing him. I'm grabbing him. Ow, ow, ow!
No, I'm not even touching it. Go get that camera out of my face! I did not authorize you to film me. You're getting sued.
What?
I'll remember that.
I'm just joking. No, it's a joke. Oh my god. Bro. Yo, what?
What'd you say? Oh, freaking poopy doopy, dude. Forgot that I have this doggy dog. Freaking Oompa Loompa.
Bro. Shut up. Oh, here, how about you use your headlights?
No. Look for a yellow adapter.
Adapter.
Freaking idiot. Absolute missile.
Yo.
I'm about a... I need a 10 millimeter.
The feeder?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am. Look, we all know that he's gay.
They're all not.
He has rainbow.
Bro, rainbow sockets are not gay. That identifies the cat.
Bro. Bro, what did you do? You messed it all up.
You don't know what you're talking about. I identifies the Kit Kat killer.
Yo, I identify as the Hitler. I mean,
Okay. You identify as the KKK Kit Kat killer.
yeah, same. Kill all killers. I meant
Look, bro, I got that.
kill club killers. What? I don't even know.
Yo, why are you up there filming the freaking ground? You had one job.
Sorry.
You do that.
Well, you should have never bought me.
Yo, I know what I'm doing.
Yo, this is not a pen. Well, it is a pen, but the back piece is not a pen. That is sharp.
I know it's a window breaker and a stabber. I'll stab you.
He said, "It is stabber."
It is. Yo, I'm about to beat you. Yo, I didn't know they made him as dumb as they do. Freaking absolute freaking
But do it again.
freaking
You
bust.
see those holes in his hat? That's where he drilled. He drilled a hole in his hat. I drilled a hole in my phone case.
Yeah, and then your phone stopped working.
Yeah, now my phone's broken. Wait, I can test this on the windshield when we get it. The stabber breaker thing.
No!
Wait, I can test it on the mirror.
No, do not break my mirrors.
Oh, it didn't even work.
Yo, you? I swear.
You imbecile.
I feel like I'm for sure about to get electrocuted. No!
Bro did not get electrocuted.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Bro did not get electrocuted.
Is it smoking? Okay, no, good. Well, that scared me, dude.
You didn't even get electrocuted.
I know that, but still. I think I just gotta, you know. Yo, Malachi, I'm better. It's not that freaking complicated. Get that out! I don't know if this is gonna.
Okay, no, that won't do it. Still, I don't trust it.
Bro, oh my gosh, he's such a scary cat.
You wanna come do it?
No, I don't know what I'm doing, so fuck that. Bro, turn the music off.
I really do not want to do this by hand. Yo, Malachi, stop!
If I get electrocuted, I'm gonna freaking scream and scream.
Bro, cream and scream goes crazy. Yo, what are these red things?
What are you doing? Why are you facing the camera over there?
Oh, I'm
and why are
sorry.
you opening my dad's package? Close it!
Oh.
Get out of my house, freaking idiot. Damn, this kid is stupid. You're not hot wiring it. I'm going to touch you.
Do it.
No, Malachi, I actually will beat your ass. Turn him back on! Get out.
Okay.
Get out. Get out of the side by side.
Okay.
I'm gonna beat you. Stop messing with the drill.
I'm kind of through it.
Put it back! Freaking beat you with a baseball bat.
Oh,
Where'd my...
where's your what, bro? Your virginity?
I just... Shut up.
Oh,
Where did my...
so it's like just a magnet.
I don't know what it is. Where did my... I just has... Where'd my wrench go? Put the light back. Turn the
it back on.
freaking light back on.
Your wrenches are under you.
No, the one that I just dropped.
Oh, then it must be on the floor. I don't see it.
Yo, where did I just put it? I swear on my life, I just completely forgot. Back up!
I'm trying to help.
You ain't helping.
I'll throw this drill.
Freaking idiot. Fine, look for it. Stop messing with the drill.
Just said to leave you alone.
Yeah, and look for it.
And close your thing. It's up there. Ow.
Go look for it. Freaking idiot. No, you're not.
Stop peeking the mic.
There's no mic. Absolute imbecile, dude. I give you one job. One job.
I don't see it.
And it ain't even complicated.
Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it. Hey,
Okay, I heard you.
just use a different one.
I gotta find that one.
Oh.
Freaking idiot. Lord have mercy. You film? Stop
You told me
jerking
not
on.
I wonder where it's at, you know. Where'd you put it?
You don't shut up.
Stop! Is that it right there?
Yeah. It's on the ground. I chased you. Beat you silly.
Bro.
I break my hood.
Oh, I broke it.
Why?
Whoops. What?
Now it's the hard part. Finding out where everything is gonna mount.
Well, you should have did that at first. I'm gonna stop the camera. Don't you just press it? Right?
Yes, Malachi. Freaking light, the sound it's making keeps making me think it's gonna explode.
So I believe we are back, unless I just started a new video. I feel like I did that.
You did, stupid.
Oh, whoops. Guess we're gonna have to put that out.
The shit actually pisses me off so much.
So it turns out we put it on the Max, how about you explain to them what you did?
I'm gonna freaking beat you, silly, if you don't get that camera out of my face.
No, tell them what you did. Tell them what you did. Go ahead. Okay.
Find my adapter that you dropped.
It's right there.
Oh.
I found it. I know I am. Now tell him what you did.
I didn't know.
So, what he exactly did.
He read the instructions wrong and told me to put it on the wrong one.
I threw the instructions at him, did I not? And it didn't even. Stop doing that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna sue you.
You're gonna sue me because I scared you? That's kind of a bitch.
He didn't even read it either. He didn't even.
I don't need instructions, bro.
So then why are you saying I said it? I didn't even read the instructions to you.
Okay.
You put it in on the wrong spot. Take responsibility for your actions.
You
Stop. Yo, wait. You know what? Screw it. Come here, mirror.
Do not break my mirror, idiot. Do it, and you will never come to this house, and you will 100% not be going to DC.
Oh, shoot. Bro's blackmailing me. Hold on, let's test it on your car.
No, do not test it on my window.
Oh, man.
And it's also a truck, not a car. Stick.
It's the same damn thing.
Look up the definition
It's
of
a
a truck.
fucking vehicle.
And look up the definition of a car.
Yeah. Yeah, keep chewing on that wire. Okay, chill out. Freaking threatener.
What is the partner? Freaking.
Your family.
This is probably going to come back off eventually, but until then I'm going to put it back on.
See, so you wasted the battery of that light for nothing.
Yeah, I got a million other lights.
I didn't ask.
Okay then, shut up.
No, I'm gonna do my own thing.
You keep saying no, I'm going to do my own thing.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. What do you want me to do?
Film! That's
No.
all you have to do. It's not that complicated.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
Why is this not freaking going?
Because, nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
Yum. Stop messing with the wrench! You're not gonna do this. You're not gonna.
No, sorry.
Nope.
No. You want to blackmail me? Well, you wanna blackmail me?
Come back over here!
Oh, okay. Exactly. So why did you give me the easiest job?
Bro, that's why you're gonna be on welfare when you get older.
Bro.
Shout out to all my hot welfare moms.
Bro, he... Gosh. Yo, he likes all of his friends' moms.
Yeah, all my friends' moms are hot.
Smokestacks.
Yo, I have all your mom's numbers too, so that's the best part. Don't play with me or I'll be your dad.
Ha
Pick that up.
ha. No, I didn't do it.
I don't give a fuck. Pick it up.
Nah.
Pick it up!
Make me. Okay, I'm picking it up. I picked it up.
Good boy.
I didn't put it on the thing though.
Put it on.
I did it and then I put it back on the ground.
What is that? Where you are.
Smart one. Yo, bro. You know how you wanna always blackmail me, Mac? You wanna know? You wanna know something? I will take this and just. Yo. So you better stop blackmailing me. Oh wait.
Put that shit back.
I remember this. I am? That's the one that put it in the wrong spot. So.
That was the freaking light down.
Yeah, that's definitely moving. I can tell. Yep. I think that's more stable.
Yo, if it's this one, I'm actually free. How?
I didn't even say a word. I think you need a light. Huh? Yo, I don't have autism.
You got hit by the freaking bus.
Bro. You're an imbecile. How about that? How about that? Yeah, shut up. Your truck ain't going nowhere then. No. I'm also gonna scratch it though.
Beat your ass
Beat my ass silly. Look how silly his ass look. Yeah, Gooby at Nick. That's your dad, ain't it?
What?
Is that your dad or is that you?
That's me. How the fuck would that be my dad? Stupid.
You two look the same because you're Mexicans. I should have said this a long time ago. Disclaimers. All the yo, shut up. All the racist stuff was said in this video is all just a joke. Yo, yours is. You always make stuff sound like I'm bad. Yeah, you're right. Why'd I even stop it? What? Bro.
I do not want to.
Yo. Bro, it spilled.
Pick it up, throw it away.
See?
I'm giving you 5 minutes to somehow get all that shit off the floor.
See, he's making me do his work.
You're the one that dropped it!
Yo, it fell all by itself. Yo, there's nothing to sweep it up with.
I don't care.
Oh.
Use your bare hand. Get that shit off the floor.
Get it off the floor.
Freaking absolute idiot.
Maybe these will work. Paper towels.
I don't give a fuck what you do. I'm gonna fucking wreck it all from fucking ground.
Yo.
This thing's actually gonna make me crash out.
Bro, it's not a certified crash out.
This is 100% crash out.
Gotta clean up your mess.
I'm gonna beat your ass so you don't shut up.
Dirty. Calm down, Javon. No need to pull up the knife. Haha, stupid. Thanks for the mixed shower.
Yo, shut up. You didn't get me a shower. Yo, this
Haha,
is
stupid. Thanks for the mixed shower.
this shit is gonna make me bust.
Ah.
Oh, they couldn't have made it any freaking easier to access. Hell yeah, freaking push it out 3 inches.
So we were at a full battery, now we're at 23%.
There's 0, so we're at 23%. How is it at 23%?
It's at 23.
It's at 22, stupid.
Oh, now it's 22. It was just 23. Alright, it's cold.
I swear on my life.
Ow, that hurt, Matt.
Mr. Rose isn't here to save you, buddy. What are you closing the door for?
It's cold.
Did you ask? No, nigga, open the door back open.
Can I shut the garage door? Yeah?
No.
Alright, cool. It's already shutting.
Freaking idiot.
Bro, you left the light on. It's literally tweaking.
Yeah, 'cause the battery's almost dead. It's not to be freaking good enough. Ooh!
Oh, you didn't say anything!
Freaking idiot.
You absolute imbecile.
Say that shit again.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. Stop trying to use the horn.
It ain't working!
Exactly, but stop trying to use the horn at least.
Freaking idiot. If you can bust my light up.
You're gonna bust in my mouth? Oh, he's gone. Let's go find something to start, guys. Because that plastic's there. Well, this imbecile don't know what he's doing. Let's go figure out where he went. Oh, found him.
Close that door.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. We're at 18%.